This is the example of array. The program begins by declaring a public class name main. In Java, every program must have at least one class, and here the class in main. The main method is defined inside the class. The main method is the entry point of the Java program. The signature. The main method is public statistic about main, a void main string arch. Public mains. The method can be accessed from anywhere. Statistic allows the method to be called without creating an object of the class. A void indicates that the method does not return any value. String arch is it pass command line argument into the program inside the main method. An array of string name NBA is declared. The array contains your element Irving, Jordan, Curry, and Kobe. Array is Java are used to store multiple values of the same data type. Here the data type of the array is string, which means store text. Array is indicates to access individual elements. The first element has index 0, the second element has index 1, and so on. To display an element of the array we use. To display element of the array we use system out print ln. In this program, NBA1 is used to access the second element of the array. The second element of the NBA array is Jordan. There the program will print Jordan on the screen. Therefore, the program will be print Jordan on the screen. System out print automatically move the cursor to a new line after printing. The program demonstrates how to declare array in Java. The program demonstrates how it also demonstrates how to access an array element using its index. The program is very simple but illustrates that basic of array in Java. Array are useful when you want to store multiple related. Basic of array Java. Array using void declaring multiple separate variables or similar data. The array NBA could be expanded to include more player names. Index number always start at 0. So in NBA 0 would print Irving. This program used a fixed array, meaning its size cannot be changed at runtime. If we try to access an index outside the array, Java will throw an array index auto bounds acceptation. Finally, the program ends after printing Jordan, showing a successful example of array usage. The second example of array. This program is an example of how to use an array Java. It starts with the class name, example 4. Inside the class, the main method is defined, which is the starting point of the program. The program declares integer array name age. That array contains for values 18, 20, 21, and 25. These values represent different age stored inside the array. The array uses index number to access and value. Index 0 stores that value, 18 index and 1 store 20, index 2 store 22, and index 3 store 25. After creating the array, that program uses a for loop for display. All the elements that loop start with the variable in set as 0. That condition age length tell the loop to run until I inches that length of the array. The length of the array is 4, so that loop repeats of 4 times. Inside the loop, the program print the age store that each index. That message include but the index number and the age value on the first loop. It print age at index 0, 18. On the second loop, it prints age at index 2.22. On the fourth loop, it print age index 3.25. The loop then ends because all elements have been printed. Finally, the program finished. After showing all the age stored in array, this is the output. This is the output of the second example array. Age at index 0.18, age at index 1.20, age at index 2.22, age at index 3.25. This is the output of second example of array. Thank you.